Look how sad and decrepit and empty Innoventions is.
Wait, is this the new Sky Table?
No, no, no.
Did they cancel the Sky Table?
Heavily rumored.
But
Heavily
not
rumored.
confirmed.
No, not confirmed, but heavily rumored. There's Mr. Ray. And there's Spaceship Earth. It's magnificent. We're gonna go see the new fountain.
I still think they need to install some sort of light feature where they can change the colors on like a holiday.
Yeah.
Like if it's Christmas, make it red and green.
Yeah.
You know, but only do it for holiday time. Halloween, even just a couple of days, do it orange and black.
Yeah.
Or purple, which I guess
Got
that is what it is right now. It's Halloween colors. But Easter.
Yeah.
Or, you know, I'm not saying like make it this giant spectacular like freak show, but like just the one day.
Yeah.
Give people something to come out here to look at.
Yeah.
Well, I guess
All the vloggers.
Huh?
And this is our first time seeing the fountain in all its glory without any walls. With the light shooting up to the sky. Dang. Dang, son. That's pretty great. I love it. I love it. Yeah, something else that's brand new to us. That actually just debuted a couple days ago. This is the new Riva Legacy, which used to be in the park. And now it's all colored. Huge wall. And it's still just as terrible. Ugh. Like, really?
Did they like digitally scan the metal pieces before they removed them?
Probably. It just doesn't look good. I mean, cool for them keeping it and kind of coloring it, but whatever. Now you gotta see if you can find NSYNC in this.
No, I don't want to find NSYNC.
Okay. I'm not gonna try and look all the way,
Wait,
but
Google it?
yeah, it's on Twitter.
It's so weird. It's like this graphic quality is so bad. I
It
feel
is.
like I recognize a lot of people. In this. That's how you know it's bad.
Wow. Huh. 423? What'd you find?
Look, it's me.
Wow.
It's really not. The quality on this is so bad. Like, I found me in multiple pictures.
Yeah.
That's how bad it is.
Like, these are so bad. It could be like, oh, I'm in 10 of these pictures. But I never actually looked. That's me.
It's like, oh wait.
Look, that's me.
I mean, that
So bad.
looks like me. Look,
Yeah.
it's me.
Yeah. Anyway.
What else? Look. Oh, that's me. That's me too.
And that's me with you. Wow.
That looks like me.
Wow.
Not me.
Yeah.
Do you get how awful these are? Because it's like
The quality is
It's-
terrible.
bad.
Yeah. And yet they're not like monoliths. They're just cheap.
Okay, I found the best one. It's me with short hair. Look. It's
That's
me.
a dude.
It's me.
Anyway, we're gonna go back in because we're gonna slowly head back towards the hotel. After a tiny bit of shopping here at the entrance, it's time to go thank the Venetians. Spaceship Earth 5-minute wait. Less than 30 minutes till the park closes. I love it. Let's go.
I've never seen
Yeah. Thanks, Venetians. Hey kid, turn around. I want to see your burnt face. Turn around. Damn.
America, now connected.
Send it to the Matrix. What have they done to Jalen's face? Oh no. Oh no. See, I look fine. Oh no, bye. Show Jalen's face again. What the hell? Why? It's so bad. What the hell?
I mean, it could be that person.
Yikes. It's now raining. Yay! Late night rain. 8 o'clock, park's closed. Woo! So found out the hard way. There's a lightning storm. They shut down the Skyliner, and we were already back by International Gateway. We're not walking back to the front of the park to catch a bus. So we're at the beach club. We're gonna just catch a lift to Riviera, head back to our resort, and hopefully this passes so we can just go enjoy Bar Riva and the rest of the night. We shall see. It's lightening up now, but we'll see. Another pro tip, if you're a Lyft driver and we're just going from Beach Club to Riviera, don't text while it's raining and follow the cars really close in front of you. That guy's getting a 2-star.
He had a 5-star.
Yeah. Well, not anymore. But yeah, rain's cleared up, even though the radar says it's supposed to be like overcast for another 2 hours. But anyway, where else do you think we're gonna go? Bar Riva.
Sandwich.
You know, sandwich. Once again, spicy Italian with fries, extra cherry peppers, and making friends. And I just drank another blonde. Time for round 2. Merch update day 1. So this is the custom shirt I got. Tie-dye, Epcot, Festival of the Arts 2021. Nice. There's the Fiesta Siesta repeat shirt from Mexico. Here's the Pop Eats little tin can that the terrible Bloody Mary came in. Woo! And this Emperor's New Groove pin. Oh, look at my hand compared to the size of this thing. Normally $65, but limited edition $1,500. This is too cool. I had to. Love it. My favorite animated movie by Disney. Awesome. Well, everyone, that's first day in the parks. Thanks for hanging out with us. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Until tomorrow, another day of Epcot. Stay safe. Aloha.